Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful textured updo. To start with, I've just curled the hair using my GHD straighteners. Next, apply some texture spray all throughout the roots and down the mid-lengths of the hair. Take a section at the crown of the head, slightly off centre to the left-hand side. Twist this towards the middle of the head and pin to the head with a few bobby pins. Next, pinch and pull at the hair to give it a nice messy look. Take another slice of the hair from the left-hand side, split this in two and twist it around itself, and then pin this again to the middle of the back of the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Again, use your fingers just to pinch and pull at this section. Then take another section of hair from the left-hand side, split it in two, twist it over itself and pin with the rest. Again, pinch and pull at the hair to loosen everything up. And then just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Once you've got everything pinned down, just apply some more texture spray and just go through the hair again to loosen everything up until you're happy with the look. Now we've got that top section pinned up, take the remaining hair and split it in half. Working on the right hand side, just split this in two and again create a simple twist and tie off with a clear elastic band. Apply some more texture spray if needed and really pull apart that twist to give it a nice messy look. Then repeat this on the left hand side of the hair, so split it in half, give it a twist around itself, secure it with an elastic band and really pull apart that twist. Take the twist on the left hand side and cross it over to the right hand side so we cover the bobby pins from the top sections, and then just pin it to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Don't forget to tuck the ends underneath and pin those to the head as well. Take that final twist and pin it from right to left underneath that previous twist that we've just pinned up. Just tuck the ends underneath and pin those to the head also. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.